We was still a secret, couldn't come and throw the.
Well, I made it to Woodward. Here for day one of work. Gonna meet some people and stuff. We'll see how it goes. This is my home for the next 6 weeks. This is wild. Couple things to take away from day one. You have 5 roommates and you have no clue who any of them are. Nothing about them. You don't get any information until you show up. Number 2, they don't supply any bedding. You need to bring your own sheets, blankets, pillows, and all I have is a sleeping bag. I was a little underprepared on the sleeping side. Number 3, we're far away from everything. Everywhere around us is just Amish people. The Amish population here is unbelievable. And so if you want anything like soap or to do your laundry or Sour Patch Kids, which is what I need right now, you have to drive like 30 minutes to the next town. So. That's it. I'm counting that. First largemouth at Woodward. They have just a stocked bass pond here. So when people are tired of skating, scootering, biking, jumping on trampolines, doing parkour, they can just like relax and fish here. And there's obviously fish because I just caught one, so. Even better one here. Nice fish. I didn't even realize this. It looks like this thing got snagged by a jig head a long time ago. I'm gonna try to get this out, but that looks horrible. I think what happened is it ate the jig head because it was just like in the water, and then it like went through its entire digestive tract, and then it was just trying to get it out of its body and out of its system. I was able to pull it out, fortunately, and release the fish just fine, but that was crazy. Slug. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Number 3. Dink for 4. Oh. Current pro side to being at Woodward, Pennsylvania. Everybody here is so nice. Everybody here is a professional at something, which is so sick. So sick. Downsides, it's raining pretty much every single day. And that makes it hard to kind of do the stuff that people are here to do. Otherwise, it's been a good first week. It's currently Wednesday, been here for 3 total days basically, so yeah. It is so humid and so hot. I constantly look and feel like this every day, every hour, even when you're sleeping. At nighttime when you're sleeping, this is what you look like. Horrible. What is that thing in the sky that's shining so bright? Sunshine! Yay! In the Berks?
It's like Jesus parting the Red Sea or whatever it is.
Oi! Oh my gosh!
I told ya.
Without tops on the shoes.
Yeah. It's missing fabric. It's missing fabric. Look at them. Nice, nice.
Oi, oi!
Yes!
Yeah. Oi!
Yeah, cause light.
Oh, shut up. Shut up.
Yeah!
Yay! For activity. I didn't know how long he was here.
You want a photo? What is life?
Yeah.
Like, we're like,
I'm about to send that to the homie and he's gonna be like, what? Like, bam, no way, bro. Nah, that's tweaks.
So I guess there's a tornado 2 mountains down this way. These guys don't seem to care about it at all though. They just keep on doing. Even though there's a natural disaster happening, it's fine. So I'm currently in the tiny little town of Milham, Pennsylvania. It's about 8 minutes away from Woodward. I was just doing my laundry here and a lady told me I should go on this walk on a place called Race Street. And Race Street is basically this little walking path that is right next to this offshoot of water created by a dam on Elk Creek. And this offshoot of water basically was powering this mill, and therefore this town is called Milham. So yeah, I'm just on this road, walking, seeing the water, seeing this park. I guess there's a park that I'm going towards. And so, yeah, that's what I'm doing on my Friday morning. A fishing pole. Oh my gosh! Oh my! Yeah! Yeah! Oh my gosh! That was so good! Sunday morning slapper, dude. That wasn't ideal. It fell out my hand and landed on a rock. But, you know, that'll happen. I hope nobody saw that. Hershey Park. Smells like chocolate. Stanton!
Let's go! Hot dogs on me, baby.
That's you for real.
Hot dogs on me, baby. Welcome to Willy Wonka's Glizzy Land.
Hershey Park Glizzy review.
First Glizzy of the day.
Honestly, not overcooked. It's not burnt, so that's good. That's something I hate. I'm gonna give Willy Wonka's Willy 7 out of 10. How do you feel?
I feel like I'm on top.
We will dangle.
Dangling for life. I flew out of my seat.
Wonderful. Yay! So this week at Woodward, I am a counselor. So I sleep in the cabins that the kids sleep in. As you could just probably figure out for yourself, is not the easiest thing in the world. Every single one of them got up at 5:30 in the morning. Breakfast doesn't even start until 7:30. And then at about 1 in the morning, I have a sleepwalker. Just trying to open a window and crawl out of it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my! Nice job. That was sick. Yep, keep going. Yeah! Sick. Nice job.
Yo.
the riverboat cruise.
I love it. This is beautiful. This is very nice.
Okay, so it gets like a little bit crazy here. Just we gotta when you come around underneath the bridge, paddle to this side. Like
I have my watch on. I literally cannot see. Also, I don't have
So pretty.